There she is.
It's close to that hat.
It's pet torture in a fun way, though.
Hi, kitty.
It's harmless pet torture.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
Hi, Christmas kitty.
Christmas kitty.
It's the reverse bunny. The cat has reverse.
The cat does have a reverse. Kitty.
Nice try, little girl. Put her in reverse.
Oh yeah. Back that thing up. Better back the cat up. Kitty.
Wow.
Oh, poor baby.
Look at her.
YouTube that.
Yeah. Yep.
All right. Stop.
Ooh, you shoulda had
Forward.
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 Should have had her on Michael Jackson's song. Doing the moonwalk.
Beat it.
That was
Little
too.
girl.
Reverse.
Backwards.
Nope, she's not doing it.
Reverse.
Oh.
I need a cat in the same outfit.
Forward.
Alright, make her go backwards.
Reverse.
Put it forward.
Pause. Forward.
Oh, no, she's at pause right now.
She doesn't even feel like moving.
Come on, I don't even come out of that bedroom and you guys are torturing me out here.
How that happened?
Oh, come here, honey.
Oh. Oh wow, there's lights in the refrigerator.
There wasn't lights in the refrigerator?
No.
You all done with
There hasn't
that?
been lights in that refrigerator for a while.
Bye-bye, Christmas kitty. I love you.